how to recover disabled Instagram account. So for that, what you can do is, first of all, try to log in back to your account. For that, open your Instagram, and in here make sure to add your phone number, username, or your email address correctly in here. Then in here simply write down your password, then tap on login. If your account has been disabled, you'll get a pop-up saying that your account has been disabled. In order to recover it, you'll get a link. All you need to do is tap on that link and get to the further process of how you can recover your disabled account. So if you generally cannot just log into your account and you're not even seeing the pop-up, what you can do is simply open any kind of browser. I'm going with a Safari, and in here all you need to do is type down Instagram help, search for it, and in here all you need to do is tap on the first link just like that. After doing that, we'll get to our Instagram help, and in here you'll get a lot of topics. You need to search for what exactly your issue is. Here you can also see the option of Meta AI support assistant. If you simply tap on this box, now you'll get to ask Meta AI all of the questions regarding your account. You can ask them why it is being disabled, and it will show you the further process of how you can recover it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.